Winter is coming fast, and for most gardeners, that means one thing: panic. Frostbite, frozen soil, and wilted leaves can destroy months of hard work overnight. But what if I told you that you can keep every single one of your plants alive all winter long, using just a few items from the Dollar Tree? That's right, no fancy equipment, no expensive greenhouse setups, just clever, affordable tricks that really work. Whether you're trying to save your outdoor containers, house plants, or herbs on the windowsill, these Dollar Tree hacks will keep your plants healthy, warm, and thriving until spring returns. Welcome to Timeless Gardening, the home for creative, budget-friendly garden wisdom that works in every season. If you love learning simple, affordable hacks that make your garden flourish, you're in the right place. So grab a warm cup of tea, hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the 10 Dollar Tree garden hacks that will keep your plants alive all winter long. Hack number 1. Create mini greenhouses with clear plastic containers. When the temperatures drop, even a light frost can damage delicate leaves and young plants. But a simple clear plastic container from the Dollar Tree can act as a personal greenhouse for each plant. Just flip it upside down over your potted herbs, seedlings, or small garden beds. The clear lid traps the sun's warmth during the day and holds it in at night, creating a cozy microclimate that protects your plants from sudden chills. For ventilation, poke a few small holes on top so moisture doesn't build up inside. This keeps your plants warm, but also allows fresh air to circulate, preventing mold or rot. You'll be amazed how much stronger and greener your plants stay, even when frost settles on the ground outside. It's one of the easiest, cheapest, and most effective hacks you can try this winter. Hack number 2. Use shower curtains as frost covers. When those icy nights roll in, a Dollar Tree shower curtain can become your garden's best friend. The plastic material acts like an instant frost barrier, trapping warmth around your plants and blocking out the cold air that causes frostbite. Simply drape the shower curtain over your garden beds, or wrap it around sensitive potted plants before sunset. In the morning, lift it off to let sunlight back in. You can secure it with clothespins, garden stakes, or even rocks to keep it from blowing away overnight. It's lightweight, reusable, and surprisingly effective. This simple Dollar Tree hack can save you from losing tender herbs, flowers, and vegetables, all for just $1. It's proof that protecting your garden doesn't have to cost a fortune. It just takes a little creativity. Hack number 3. Insulate pots with Dollar Tree pool noodles. One of the biggest threats to potted plants in winter is frozen soil. When the temperature drops too low, the roots can freeze solid, causing irreversible damage. But with a few pool noodles from the Dollar Tree, you can create an inexpensive insulation system that keeps the soil temperature stable and your plants safe. Just cut the noodles lengthwise, wrap them around the outside of your planters, and secure them with tape or twine. The foam acts as a thermal barrier, trapping warmth and preventing the cold from penetrating the pot. It's a quick, clever way to protect your plants from root shock when the nights get icy. For larger containers, you can take it a step further by lining a decorative basket or plastic bin with pool noodles before placing your plant pot inside. This creates a double layer of insulation that not only keeps the soil warm, but also adds extra stability for tall or heavy plants. You can even use this trick for balcony or porch plants that face the brunt of winter winds. It's a simple, affordable solution that works like magic, keeping your plants cozy and thriving, while others struggle to survive the cold. Hack number 4. Turn plastic bins into indoor grow stations. When outdoor temperatures drop too low for your plants to survive, bring the growing indoors with the help of Dollar Tree plastic bins. These versatile containers can easily be transformed into compact indoor grow stations that keep your herbs, greens, and small vegetables thriving all winter long. Start by lining the inside of a clear plastic bin with aluminum foil. It reflects light and maximizes brightness inside your mini greenhouse. Then place your potted plants inside, and position a small LED grow light, or even a bright desk lamp over the top. The enclosed space helps retain warmth and humidity, while the reflective walls distribute light evenly across every leaf. This setup is perfect for small apartments, kitchens, or any sunny corner of your home. You can stack multiple bins, or place them side by side, to create a miniature indoor garden that's easy to manage. The best part, it costs a fraction of what store-bought grow systems do, yet delivers the same results. With just a few Dollar Tree supplies and a little creativity, you can enjoy fresh basil, mint or lettuce all winter long, no matter how cold it gets outside. Hack number 5. DIY humidity dome. With food storage containers, winter air, especially indoors, tends to get painfully dry, and your plants feel it just as much as you do. Dry air causes leaves to crisp, edges to brown, and soil to lose moisture faster than your plants can absorb it. But a simple solution from the Dollar Tree can change that. Grab a few clear food storage containers, or salad bowls, and use them to create mini humidity domes. Just place the container upside down over smaller plants, like ferns, African violets, or orchids. The dome traps moisture and warmth, creating a gentle greenhouse effect that keeps your plants hydrated and lush even when your heater is running full blast. You can adjust the level of humidity by slightly propping one side open or poking small holes in the lid for airflow. This helps maintain a perfect balance between moisture and ventilation. It's a wonderful trick for plant lovers who struggle with dry winter air or notice their leaves getting dull and brittle. With this Dollar Tree hack, your plants will stay dewy, vibrant and healthy, all thanks to a $1 container that mimics tropical conditions right inside your home. Hack number 6. Dollar Tree thermal blanket hack. When temperatures plummet, even the toughest plants can struggle to stay warm, but there's a surprisingly effective solution waiting in the Dollar Tree camping aisle. Those shiny emergency thermal blankets, often sold in compact packages, can become powerful insulators for your plants. These lightweight reflective sheets work by trapping heat that radiates from the ground and reflecting it back toward your plants. Simply cut them to size and drape them around pots, raised beds, or even the inside of a small greenhouse. You'll create a warm reflective barrier that keeps the cold out and the heat in, and it costs just $1. For an extra boost of protection, combine the thermal blanket with a layer of burlap or a shower curtain to create a double barrier against freezing air. This hack is especially helpful for delicate flowers or tropical plants that don't handle frost well. The reflective surface also helps distribute sunlight during the day, keeping your plants warmer for longer after the sun sets. It's one of those smart, low-cost tricks that works surprisingly well. A true winter lifesaver for your garden, all thanks to a simple emergency blanket. Hack number 7. Use plastic tablecloths to trap warmth. You've probably seen those colorful vinyl tablecloths in the Dollar Tree party aisle. But did you know they can be one of your strongest defenses against winter frost? These thick, flexible sheets are perfect for creating makeshift garden tunnels or temporary frost covers. Simply drape them over hoops, stakes, or even wire frames to form a protective canopy over your plants. The plastic material traps warmth from the soil and prevents cold winds from seeping in. It's an instant way to create a mini greenhouse effect right in your backyard, using nothing more than a dollar store tablecloth. For extra protection, you can double up the layers or add a thin fabric sheet underneath to regulate moisture and temperature. This setup not only shields your plants from frost, but also keeps rain, snow, and harsh winds from damaging delicate stems or leaves. When the weather warms up during the day, just lift the cover slightly to let air circulate. It's simple, reusable, and incredibly budget-friendly. This hack is especially handy for raised beds or garden rows, turning ordinary tablecloths into powerful frost-fighting shields that keep your garden green and alive through the coldest months. Hack number 8. DIY water bottle heaters. Sometimes the simplest ideas make the biggest difference, and this Dollar Tree hack is a perfect example. All you need are a few plastic water bottles, and you've got an easy, reusable way to keep your plants warm through freezing nights. Fill the bottles with warm water before sunset, and place them around the base of your plants or inside your greenhouse setup. As the water cools, it slowly releases heat, raising the temperature in the immediate area, just enough to prevent frost damage. It's a natural, low-cost heat source that can make a surprising impact when the temperature dips close to freezing. For even better results, paint the bottles black or wrap them in black plastic so they absorb more sunlight during the day. This allows them to store extra warmth and release it gradually throughout the night. You can reuse the same bottles over and over, just refill them as needed. This simple hack works beautifully for both outdoor garden beds and indoor setups near cold windows. With just a handful of Dollar Tree bottles, you can create a reliable, eco-friendly heating system that keeps your plants cozy when the cold tries to sneak in. Hack number 9. Create drainage trays with aluminum pans. During winter, one of the biggest mistakes gardeners make is overwatering. Cold weather slows down evaporation, and too much moisture can freeze around your plant's roots, suffocating them or causing rot. That's where Dollar Tree aluminum pans come in. These lightweight, inexpensive trays make perfect drainage bases for your potted plants. Simply place them underneath your pots to catch excess water after watering sessions. They prevent puddles from forming on your floors or shelves while allowing you to monitor how much water your plants are actually getting. It's a small step that can save you from a lot of heartbreak later. For an extra touch of care, you can elevate your pots slightly inside the pan, using small pebbles, plastic caps, or pieces of foam. This keeps the roots from sitting directly in standing water, while still maintaining a bit of ambient humidity around the plant. The combination of airflow and drainage helps prevent both frost damage and fungal issues. Whether you're wintering your plants indoors or in a covered patio, this hack keeps your watering routine safe and precise. A simple Dollar Tree roasting pan can make all the difference between healthy winter roots and frozen, waterlogged soil. Hack number 10. Build a cozy root protection barrier with burlap and rope. When the temperatures start to bite, your plant's roots are the first to feel the chill. But with just a roll of burlap and some garden rope from Dollar Tree, you can give them a warm, breathable shield that keeps them protected all winter long. Wrap a few layers of burlap around your garden pots or raised beds, and secure it tightly with rope or twine. The natural fibers of the burlap allow air to circulate, while locking in just enough warmth to insulate the roots from harsh cold. It's like wrapping your plants in a cozy winter blanket. Simple, rustic, and incredibly effective. For an even stronger barrier, tuck in some dry leaves, straw, or shredded paper between the burlap layers. This adds another layer of insulation and helps trap heat near the soil. You can also use this trick around shrubs or small trees by wrapping the base to protect root zones from frost heave. Beyond its practicality, burlap adds a charming farmhouse look to your winter garden. Proof that protection can be both functional and beautiful. With this final Dollar Tree hack, you'll have everything you need to keep your garden thriving through the coldest months of the year. And there you have it. 10 simple, affordable Dollar Tree garden hacks that will keep your plants alive, healthy, and happy all winter long. From makeshift greenhouses to DIY insulation and mini heaters, these ideas prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to protect your garden. With just a little creativity and a few $1 supplies, you can turn even the harshest winter into a season of quiet growth and resilience. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow garden lovers. They'll thank you when their plants survive the frost. And don't forget to subscribe to Timeless Gardening for more budget-friendly, creative garden ideas that make every season beautiful. Stay warm, stay inspired, and as always, keep your garden timeless.